There you go, Hooch. I know you ain't used to this scenery. Easy now.
You couldn't miss it.
Yeah.
Do it.
There he goes, Rex Johnson. Yes, sir. Look at here. Big Cowboy goes down.
Ah, come on. Yeah. Get up, get up. Yeah. Yeah.
7:31. We're going to be the time. 6:9. Come on, Drew.
Finish.
Pitch him around.
Yeah.
Boom. Turns in a time of 5.16 on the clock.
Staying open? Yeah.
Damn. I can get that one swing and get it on him. Wop. Wop.
Back at it. We're going to go to some calf roping. I'm going to tell you right here, this arena is pretty short, and this is what they call straight up cowboy roping right here.
Hey, come on. Tell him something.
Hey, he's gonna win. I'm just letting you know. I can just tell. You know what I mean?
Come on.
What was your name?
Grant.
Grant. Josh Hawley, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Rex runs up on him, got a quick loop out. There he goes. Got to get down that rope. Got to pick him up, put him down, tie any 3 legs. Maxfield, help him now.
Whoa. Whoa.
That horse has got to back up.
That's cool, though.
That sound and stuff, you kind of got to it.
Thanks, bud. You're welcome.
Step off. You hit that light rope and step off. You gotta go all the way to the point.
I pushed the dirt. I was like, wait.
Back. You right there. You right there. Look. Go on rope.
Come on, baby.
Come on, horse back up. Got him up, got him down, 3 legs, anyone to work. 3 wraps and a hooey. How about this, Mansfield? Well, they're moving in on time. How about this, Mansfield? 14.50.
Whoa.
Hey, y'all can be a little bit louder than that. They said that.
That's what I'm talking about.
Right straight to the leaderboard.
There's too much going on.
What happened with why she take off on you?
Yeah, everybody yelled.
Yeah, and they
Hey,
scared
you
her.
know, she was. I got the cash shit, and I was like, ah! And it said, "Come on, Mansfield." When hey, it scared her. You know?
That
You
setup
can't-
too small to.
You can't
Yeah.
expect a horse to live through that. You know.
We got a bull scramble going on, 18 plus. 18 plus, folks.
Jimmy peeking around the corner.
All right, guys, this bull's gonna come, so y'all just pay attention. If you're not in the bull scramble, get up and get out of the arena and away from the fence.
What are you talking? Texas, make some noise! This is the adult cat scramble. Stand your ground, boys. Stand your ground. That's what you paid to see, Mansfield.
right, y'all, this is going to be your champion calf roper of the evening, Grant Johnson. He qualified for this event a couple weeks ago, and Tobin Logan's coming out here tonight and pulling out the W.
And that's a wrap for the 40th anniversary here at Knapp Ranch. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Come on.